Welcome to Auto. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Discord error 1006, including invalid authentication and games not working issue.
Fix 1. Clear Discord cache. Step 1. Close Discord completely. Step 2. Press Win plus R, type %app data %\discord, and press Enter. Step 3. Delete the cache folder. Step 4. Restart Discord and login. Fix 2. Disable VPN/proxy. Step 1. Turn off any VPN or proxy you're using. Step 2. Restart Discord and check if the error is gone. Fix 3. Check firewall and antivirus. Step 1. Open Windows Firewall or your antivirus settings. Step 2. Allow Discord through firewall and antivirus. Step 3. Restart Discord. Fix 4. Reinstall Discord. Step 1. Uninstall Discord from your PC. Step 2. Download the latest version from the official site. Step 3. Install and log in again.